Hi, my name's Daryl. So I recently had the opportunity to install both the SpiderWeb and Alien full-length sunshades on my Jeep Wrangler. Today what I'm going to do is a quick side-by-side comparison of the two products. Now, to make things easy, if you want to get the product that performs better, that costs less, and I think it's going to be more durable, then you're going to want to get the Alien sunshade. So if you go to Amazon, you can actually save $120. In addition, the Alien sunshade is a lot quieter at freeway speeds and even below that. So there's going to be a lot less flapping, and there's going to be a lot less wind noise and wind coming into the cabin. This is me doing 45 miles an hour with the Alien sunshade. And this is me doing 45 miles an hour on the SpiderWeb sunshade. Lastly, I think you'll find the Alien sunshade's materials are actually a little bit better. So the mesh material itself is heavier weight, and the bungee cords, unlike the SpiderWeb sunshade that is actually built into the sunshade, these can be easily replaced for very little cost. So that's it. Just do yourself a favor, go out and buy the Alien sunshade. And if you are interested in a little more thorough review of the two products, where I objectively look at a number of different criteria, you can watch that video right down here. And finally, if you did enjoy this expedited quick review, please give it a like. And yeah, why don't you consider subscribing to my channel? And I hope to see you in the next one again very soon.